Hi, my name is Peter, and I have one question for you. Did you know that you are in sales all the time? Find out why. I will explain you how to get rich doing it. Today we will speak about how to increase sales. Sales are the main activity of every company, but also of an individual. Every company is successful only if it can sell its products. If you own a business, your goal is to sell as many products or services as possible and maximize profits. If you are an employee of a company, your job is to work to achieve this goal. You either work directly in sales or in an area to support sales. So the question is, do you have enough knowledge to be able to sell? If you are an employer, the question you should ask yourself is, can my employees sell enough to make money themselves and make a profit for the business? How can a higher profit be achieved? If you are an employee, you ask yourself the question, how can I earn more? How to convince an employer to pay me more? The answer to all questions is increase sales. The only way to increase sales in the long run is to invest in sales staff training. Imagine the sellers as a football team. You expect your team to win a lot of matches, but players don't attend training. Soon they will lose matches with opponents with whom they have not had problems before. They will not run and will also have problems with the ball and kicking techniques. Of course, many players will argue about bad conditions on the field, the referee, and other things. I think we all know this example. In such a situation, the owner of the club decides to call a new coach and agrees on new conditions with the players. Everyone gets the opportunity to join the training and stay, or can leave the club and look for a place where they pay him even without training. The new coach will start to train the players, who will improve after a short period of time. The coach will introduce a new game system that is more efficient and will help players win over opponents. Players are happier with their results and again play for fun and better placement in the competition. Each of us should continue to learn and improve in the field in which we work. Only through continuous education and the right mindset can we change something in our lives. If you believe that thanks to graduating from college and obtaining your degree, you can earn more money, then take a better look around, and you will find that this principle is not working anymore. There are people all over the globe with great education and still struggling in life. If you are an employer and you do not care about the education of your employees and the latest knowledge in your field, you cannot make a higher profit. Every company has the value that its employees have. Increase the value of employees, and you also increase the value of the company. If you are looking for a more efficient way to sell your products or services, you are in the right place. I have prepared for you a complete process with the latest knowledge in the field of sales. It is up to you whether you step out of line and decide to move on, or stay there and hope as others do. Each of us has a choice, so think about what you want to achieve in life. Let me know if you are in sales and check out my new book, You Are in Sales, So Get Rich Doing It, on Amazon. You find the link in description. Leave me a comment and hit the like button if you want to know more. Subscribe for the channel for more videos to come. Thank you.